MIT Pune has always shown the different pathways to the society from time to time and has made great impact on the society. It has always fulfilled the aspirations of a young youth and common person of the society. It is a new culture which we are creating here, new ecosystem which we are creating here to promote the innovation.
The college plays a very important role in setting the foundation, but what you do from here on is pretty much your call.
This university is striving with a vision of a world-class university while preserving the national focus on human resources development.
I requested Mangesh ji, you make a little change in the name of the university. Instead of MIT University, make it a MIT Global University. Because the education of global level, the quality of education.
Your own university, MIT ADT University, as visualized by Mr. Mangesh Karad and his team, they have been calling it to promote the holistic, peace-loving global society, the global education system, the value-based universal education system. These are the very typical words. But please try to understand the spirit behind it. We are not speaking because we feel it, but it has been a very scientific statement which I have been trying to experience for the last 20 years.
Vishwanath ji, you have made this institution really a world peace center, as per your name, the Vishwanath, Lord of the world. What I expect from you students of this university is that after going out from this MIT, your work will be such and your success will be such that one day your MIT will be recognized as a mighty university all over the world.
Find what you're really passionate about, what you really wanting to do. Don't just take up a job because there's a good salary. Don't take up work because you're working for a big brand and that will look good on your resume. Don't do it because everyone else is doing it. Do it because you truly believe in it.
सर्वार्थाने हे विद्यापीठ आहे असे मला जाणवतं. सर्व प्रकारचे कोर्सेस आहेत, शारीरिक शिक्षणाच्या पासून ते टेक्नॉलॉजी, संगीताचे आहेत, कलेचे आहेत. हे सर्वांगीण विकासाच्या दृष्टीने हे एक विद्यापीठ आहे.
ADT, Arts, Design and Technology. It is so inclusive. I am really proud to be part of this convocation today. Today is the day you have to enjoy. But while enjoying, you should also see some principles for success, how you can achieve it, how you can do thinking out of the box, some innovative ideas. Just don't be academician, be practical, be innovative. There are a lot of opportunities in the world.
It's a big celebration. So congratulations to all of you and the life which you are looking forward to. Now this is of course one milestone, and it's a big milestone. However, this is not the end, it's a start.
Remember, when you pass out from this institute, you carry 3 badges on your shoulder, on your chest. One is, of course, MANET, MIT, which you should be proud of. Second is India, because when you are working with a global shipping, when you are working with international shipping, you are working with multinational crew, people with different backgrounds, and it is important that you should represent India in a right spirit. And then, of course, as a seafarer, when you talk to people outside, they should feel that yes, seafarers are there to keep the world moving.
You have to develop your own base attitude for the further success and sustainable journey of your life as iconic food technologies of tomorrow.
I must congratulate, as I said in the beginning, ADT had, I think, far-sightedly taken a view that here arts, design, technology and other branches will converge together, and this university started emerging in that environment. So I think today's graduates which are coming out are the product of that visualization. I congratulate, I think, the founders for that, really.
The education should be liberal. Yes, the education must be liberal. If anything is rigid, it cannot be education. Rigidity destroys the progress. It destroys the advancement.